across the Atlantic towards western parts of Britain later tomorrow. In between, though, a little ridge of high pressure that will give a fine night in many places tonight, and for many places a fine day tomorrow as well, before this next frontal system spreads that rain across the country. This low rushing away southeastwards in the next 24 hours, these fronts bringing more rain and cloud in from the west later tomorrow, and then the fronts hanging about in eastern and southern districts during the course of a rather showery Wednesday. On the radar we can see lots of fairly light rain particles over England and Wales. They're tending to peter out just at the moment, but there's a huge thunderstorm. Can you see it down there in the English Channel? Luckily that's moving towards Calais, so that's all right. So most of us having a drizzly evening in England and Wales, but a fine sunny end to the day over Scotland and Northern Ireland, and gradually that brighter weather spreading into northern and western districts during the course of the evening. And by, I think, the early hours of the morning, it should be dry just about everywhere. Still rather cloudy in the south, clearing skies in the north. That could even mean a touch of ground frost in some of the northern glens during the course of the night. Air temperature down as low as 3 Celsius. Either side of that, substantially milder in the cloudy south and quite mild on the northern coasts as well. And then tomorrow, yes, a fairly bright start to the day. Many of us having broken cloud and good spells of sunshine. It will cloud over, I think, during the course of the day in the west. Cloud and patchy rain reaching Northern Ireland round about the middle of the day, and then some rain and drizzle getting into western parts of Scotland, Wales and England by the end of the afternoon. But central and eastern districts and Ascot staying dry with sunshine at times until the end of the day. Winds fairly light and mainly from the southwest. Temperatures quite a bit higher in most places than today. 60 to 17 in the west, 19 or even 20 Celsius in eastern districts. But that rain coming eastward across the whole country tomorrow night, and Wednesday starting off cloudy in many places with outbreaks of rain, but brighter weather with showers spreading to northern and western districts during the course of the day. May not be quite as good for Ascot though. And then on Thursday and Friday,